The Banhart yearly since inception has presented increasing its profits, increasing sales compared to their respective previous years. For the year 2017, present a high profit thanks to the variety of products sold by the yearly, its customer service, and its proposal to keep price low compared to the competition. The jeweler has chosen to hire an advisor that will strengthen the implementation of strategies in the different logistic processes of the company. Identifying current problems. After the evaluation of the company, the following problems were detected due to the increase in the demand of the articles sold by the company, associated with the opening of market niches and the expansion and attraction of the new customers. Import costs have risen since Euro is currently imported by air. Delivery of orders special as some products in the catalog that have stones like diamonds are delayed up to the 7 days to reach the final consumer. This seems excessive for some customers and due to the movement of the product and the lack of technology tools, it does not get better the control of the inventory. Additionally, the sales have not grown according to the projections that were expected. Finally, the cost of delivery to the consumer are very high and some complaints have been presented by the clients regarding the deliveries. To identify the specific failures, we proceed to contact the service of a consultant who carries out an investigation to highlight the areas considered critical and thus establish action plans that optimize the operation of the logistic processes and allow to foresee future complications, which redundant in the improvement of the company. Logistic strategies implemented. It's necessary to contract the outsourcing service. Let's see it in the following way. The Banhart Jewelry Company has a messenger and sends the products to the final consumer, supported by a carrier company called Servientrega. Due to the demand of the products that Banhart have presented failures, so their first strategy to be implemented will outsource the entire distribution part of the product for the timely delivery in orders. In addition, this study will allow to determine new policies for the improvement of the process associated with the service offered by the company. One of them is, for example, to buy software that allows to manage the inventory in an updated way, to know before dispatching the order if there is or not what needs to be dispatched. Regarding the wait for special products in which the delivery time to the final consumer can reach 7 days, the strategy that will be implemented will generate new agreements with suppliers so that the product is shipped from China with a maximum time of 2 days in order to ensure that the product reaches the customer within 3 days. Banhart has been working with suppliers for more than 2 years, so they will be willing to reach a new agreement in order not to lose an old customer. Import costs are very high. This is because Banhart uses the most expensive means of importation in the market. A relevant study has shown has shown that if Barhal managed to make demand projections in a correct way, the best option is to change the method of import. Current relationship with suppliers allows rethinking the hire advisor subjects to make projections of demand for 6 months and suggests that the company imports every 6 months, drastically reducing import costs. Storage costs will increase, but when implementing the strategy, it will by compensate those costs. The distribution costs will be reduced by generating an alliance with the company's service entrega, in which the cost of shipping per product will decrease by 10%. The Barhal must allocate resources to digital marketing exponentially depending on the growth factor of sales. It's necessary to impact the market and the brand of the company grows and it's better known.